السلام عليكم، مرحبا فيكم في فيديو جديد. In this video I will explain problem 1334 page 134 chapter 13. The question says the 300 kilogram bar B originally at rest is being towed over a series of small rollers. Determine the force in the cable when T equal 5 seconds. If the motor M is drawing in the cable for a short time at a rate of V equal 0.4 T square meter per second, where T is in seconds, how far does the bar move in 5 seconds? Neglect the mass of the cable, pulley and the rollers. Okay, so in this question we need to find the S, right? We need to find the S. First, let's draw the free body diagram. The free body diagram will be like this. Sorry. Okay. Okay. So the free body diagram looks like this. We have here okay, here we have the normal force, here we have the weight W, here we have the T, and because it has rollers, so there is no friction, it's frictionless. Okay, so we don't have anything on the left side of the x-axis. So this is the free body diagram. Okay, so we found we draw the free body diagram first, then we write what we know. We know that V is equal to 0.4 T square. Okay, 0.4 T square. Let me remind you with the equations that you should remember always. V is equal ds over dt. And you should also know that A is equal to dV over dt. Whenever you get an equation, number and the letter, like for example V equals 0.4t or 0.4s, you need to find t or s, you should use these equations. So let's continue. A is equal to dV over dt. Okay, this is the equation. A is equal to d over dt times V, which is 0.4 T square. So A will equal to, we will multiply 2 times 0.4, we'll get 0.8 T. Okay, we found the equation of T. So he said at T equal 5 seconds, A will equal to 0.8 times 5. This should give you 4. This should give you 4. Okay, so 4 meter per second square. Don't forget the unit. Don't forget the unit. Okay, okay, so we found A. Now we use first law of Newton's first law, which says sigma F x equal m a x. Because it is moving in the x direction only, so we will use the sigma fx. Okay, sigma fx equal to max, so t will equal to ma, so t will equal to m we have as 300 and a we just found as 4. This will give you 1200 Newton. Okay, so now we need to find S. How do we find S? How do we find S? In order to find S, you need to use this equation, right? Because it contains S. Okay, so V equal ds over dt. So let's put ds on side, so ds equal to v dt so ds is equal to 0.4 t square. This is from 0 to s, this is from 0 to t. So ds from 0 to s will give you 0.4 divided by 0.4 divided by 3 will give you 2 over 15. 2 over 15. Okay, 2 over 15. Over 15 times t power 3, right? T power 3. Okay, from, don't forget, from 0 to t. So you can say that s is equal to 2 over 15 t power 3. Okay, this is a very substantial equation. It's very important. Now we can just say at t equal 5 seconds, s will equal to 2 over 15 times 5 power to the power 3. Okay, so this will equal to 16.67 meter. So that's it. We found S at t equal 5 seconds, and we have answered the question. Thank you very much for watching my videos.